Yo guys, what's up? Shadow here and welcome back to another episode of Space Engineers. Today we work on the next section of our ship, and the next section is gonna be the jump drives, which are gonna be right below here. And I have actually no idea how many jump drives we can fit in there, to be fair, to be honest. Oh, safe zones. No, we don't need safe zones. Jump drives, there we go. Jump drives are obviously quite huge, so we probably cannot fit like a shit ton of them in there, but I think we can fit a few. Now, these will probably be on the sides, kind of like this. I'm just gonna place one, just as a placeholder there, kind of like this, and then maybe a second one below, like I don't know, like this, something along those lines. But to figure that out, I think we'll have to basically kind of figure out what kind of spacing we're working with the walls and everything. So that's what we're gonna do first. We're gonna pull down this wall. And obviously we'll always have to put in a little bit of... oh, that was the wrong block. Hold on. There we go. A little bit of a spacer there, so that we don't get these ugly edges that we fixed a lot of last time. So it's 3 blocks, right? And we get to here, and then that would mean that here that room is finished. I think that could work, actually. That could work from a design standpoint. We might even be able to fit more jump drives in here, one set more, depending on how much spacing we have at the back, which is what I'm gonna do next. I almost have the feeling we don't have enough, but we'll see. Let me just get rid of that, and let's start putting these down. Oh, that, no, But yeah, 4 jump drives is not bad, I think. If we can fit 4. If we can fit 8, even better. But yeah, I mean, the more the better, because it would just give us more flexibility in the amount of jumping distance. But I think 4 as a minimum is not bad. Alright, and then to here, and then let's do one more level, so we're perfectly fitted onto the lower part here. Connect that to it. Right, let me just weld these so we can have a good view. Scanning all of these fixed up real quick. But yeah, let's see. Okay. So if we slap on a second jump drive here, and then a second one. Oh, I think that fits. That fits perfectly. So that's 8 jump drives we'll be able to fit in. That's pretty sweet though, isn't it? And then the outer hull is gonna be like this. Yeah, let me just start welding this side so we can have a bit of an understanding how this whole structure is gonna look. But yeah, I think that's a perfect fit. And then we'll have a big open room in the middle where we can put in some catwalks to get over to the jump drives, maybe some LCD screens to display various things. But yeah, okay, let me weld these as well, just so we can make sure everything is going according to plan. Okay. Just slap these. Oh, hold on. I think I just made a mistake here, perhaps. Yep, I did. But hold on, that means that this... Oh, okay, maybe we do not have enough space. We'll see in a second here. So this needs to go here. Oh, okay, no, this is just a filler block as well, so it works. It actually works. Good. Otherwise, it would have been a bit awkward.
Energy low.
Just have to check out that... Oh, hello. That is a problem, though, isn't it? Because technically here... We would build this part, which means a part of the jump drive is actually poking out the bottom. Okay, I'll have to do some more welding, and then we'll see how we fix this. I think we might be able to fix this by just moving the lower set of the jump drive one block to the right, but I just want to be sure that everything is fine on this end over here. Okay, so see, we got these ugly gaps again, which I want to fix before I move anything. So these gaps, they're here, right? That's what these gaps are being created by. Yeah, right. If we have to do that, then maybe it's actually not working out too hot. Because then we need blocks here. And we need blocks here. Like this, there shouldn't be any. Yeah. Okay. This could be tricky. Maybe we can rotate them and that might work better, although I'm not sure. We'll see. Yeah, let's just get a few more steel plates, a few more inputs, construction. Yeah, it's a tricky situation. Oh, hold on. Maybe if we turn them sideways, the jump drives, that could work. Because towards the middle, we do have a lot of room to spare. So turning the jump drives sideways could have a positive effect on their spacing. It might even allow us to fit more jump drives in overall. Yeah, let's get rid of the jump drives for now. Actually, let me just weld a few more things before we start to dismantle these. There we go. Just get them away. And now let's weld the complete wall bit here. And everything that is needed to not make it look terrible. Like so, yes, excellent. And then we shall start putting in the different drives and see if we can stack them up in a good fashion. We might also orientate different drives in a different way, like have two top sides in one rotation and then maybe one on the bottom in a different rotation, just so we can get in like 6 of them, you know? Because we don't necessarily need to orientate them in the same direction, you know? So, yeah, we'll try to take advantage of the orientation of these things. That's probably the smartest move. Okay. So we need all of this filled out. all of this. Yeah, looks good. Right. Probably need another set of steel plates for this. Most likely, yeah. Oh, that was elegant, I would say. There we go. Filling up that hole. And done. Okay, so this is perfect. Now, here we have the spacing available to us. Now, jump drives come in what size? That's if we just slap one down real quick. What kind of size do we have to contend with? 2 by 1, 2, 3 by... So it's 2 by 3 by 1, 2, 3. Ha! You know what? If we place them sideways, just like that. Oh, yes. Oh, we can fit a big amount of jump drives like that. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. Oh, whoops, that was wrong. Just imagine if we put that here and then this one here and then top like so and like so. And then we can fill out these parts as well for a bit more stability, you know, a bit more armor between the front and the freaking jump drives. But yeah, I think that works, and that would, to what would that surmise? To, I think, 12 jump drives, which is quite nice, I think. Right? 12 jump drives is pretty decent. Yeah. So, if we do that, we still have 1, 2, 3... a 3 block wide room in the middle, which is more than enough for this kind of room. Now the question is, what orientation do we want these jump drives to be in? Like that? Is that a smart orientation? Or the problem is I don't quite know the lights, how they will work. I guess let's start just welding one of them. So we need... Oh god, we need a lot of gravity detector components and 1,000 superconductors. If we multiply this by 12, we need 1,200 superconductors right now. That is a huge. Shall we just get working? There we go. Can start working on that. But yeah, this will take a while to weld. And then, yeah, power cells, computers, a whole lot of them. Everything that is big and nasty to hulk around. Well, except the computers, but you know. Gravity components, some of that. Let's just try to start making one of these at least. Just so we see that the orientation is okay. Oh, 50 metal grids too, huh? Yeah, pretty much everything that is big is in there. Also, we'll probably need more computers as well. How much does one of those need? 300. Yeah, we'll need more. We'll definitely need more. A few thousands, probably. I don't even know if I have enough material to produce that many freaking superconductors, but, you know. Guess we'll try. Also power cells, that's going to be annoying. We'll need more power cells as well, for sure. How much power cells do we need? 120 for every one of those. Ugh. Yep, that's going to be a long construction period. Let's make more of those as well. My goodness. Yeah, this is going to be the most annoying part of this construction, I feel. Oh boy. Where do we have them? We might just need to go on another ore finding mission. What do superconductors need to be constructed? I don't even know. I know for gravity we need silver, so that is definitely something we'll need more of, for sure. The rest, not 100% sure about. I mean, right now we're still producing. Not quite quickly, but we are producing at least, so... yeah. But again, this will take ages. This would work a lot better if this was treated as a server, because then I could just log out and just let the construction continue while... or wait, does at least one person has to be online to make everything work? I don't even know. Oh boy. We'll just have to keep an eye on the construction and see if we run out of anything.
Energy
And if
low.
we do, immediately go and get some more. Okay, we've already run out of gold, it seems. So gold is on our shopping list, apparently. Good to know. But I think gold we can get relatively easy. We should have an asteroid nearby that has, or not nearby, but at least in, not in orbit, that should have gold. Then I think we also need 40 of these. That should be enough computers, or at least 2 of them. And the detector components, I'm not even sure what they need. Is there anything else in here that we need to get over there? I don't... well, we can get some grids and just start putting them in, but yeah. How many detectors do we need? 20 per piece. So that is 240 detector components. Let's see. Nickel and iron. Okay. That is doable. Let's do 300 of those. Let's also do however many gravity components we can do. Although it seems like...
Energy critical.
oh yeah, they take gold ingots as well. So we are out of luck here. Definitely out of luck. So we cannot continue with the construction. I'll just take a few more resources and start welding those in. But yeah, we are definitely gonna have to do a mining mission. That is certain. Okay, that's good. So that is all fixed. Let's get steel plates and weld those in. And then of course on the other side we'll have to do everything as well, again. Okay, that's the steel plates done. The most annoying thing is going to be the power cells, probably. Oh, Jesus.
Energy.
Oh, boy. But yeah, gold. Gold is definitely something that we are gonna have to pick up. You know what, let me just sit in the chair for energy, and meanwhile I can do something else. Right, GPS. We do have gold, don't we? Yes, there it is. Well, actually, let's have silver still be marked. Okay, so we got silver over there. This is only collectible by hand, of course, and then there is gold over there. That is an easy one to get. 8 kilometers. Yeah, that should be manageable, I would say. Oh boy. But yeah, I mean, these 120 freaking battery components every time, that's gonna be super annoying. How many can I carry at once? 29, so not even 30. That would have made 4 trips, but with that it is actually 5. Well, 4 and something, but yeah. You know what, I'm just gonna try and get these out of the way at least. Alright, right now it's constructing the freaking batteries. Well, at least it has something to do. That's an important thing, that it has something to do while we're gone. Otherwise, this is gonna be annoying as hell. If we come back and nothing has been created. But yeah, Jesus Christ, the batteries. Ugh. Okay. You know what? I think I'll just go and get some silver right now. Probably for the best. Oh, whoops. Not even closely to what I wanted. Here we go. That's 120 power cells for you. Right, let's get a handful of silver. Again, it's probably not going to be enough for a lot of things, but I just don't want to risk the ship in this environment over there. That's just dangerous to try. At least you can get a shit ton of gold with the actual mining ship. We could try something, you know, like adding 10 pistons in front of the mining ship and then have the ship outside of gravity and then just extending the piston into the gravity zone. I'm not sure that would even work, because if it's once it's in gravity, the piston's probably gonna pull down on the ship as well, isn't it? So probably not the smartest idea ever. But yeah, otherwise the other option than getting this by hand is to search for more asteroids that potentially have silver on it. So we would have to go and search asteroids for silver. Which also not one of my favorite hobbies, I have to say, but what can we do, you know? Alright. Get an inventory full. Let's try to not get as much stone as last time. I think last time I had a decent amount of stone in it as well. No, this time we're full silver. Excellent. Where do we need to go? Oh yeah, over there. Over yonder we need to move. Let me just see if I activate all my GPS data. Just want to check if there's anything nearby, any asteroids that I haven't checked out. I mean, there's a few, not these, because they're guaranteed also in gravity, in grips of the gravity. Now, that over there, I don't know if that is for all of these asteroids. Yeah, you know what? We might have to go and do some searching, because otherwise we will have to float back and forward like 100 times between here and over there. Oh, there we go. That's much better. And that is definitely not an option. So I would say let's go and start drifting off into space and find some freaking silver. But we'll do that with no equipment though, or at least with reduced equipment. So just in case we die, that is nothing is gonna be lost, you know, no level 3 thrills and stuff like that is gonna be lost. So let me fill that into here, into the different refineries. Oh yeah, that refinery over there is not accessible by hand. There we go. Right, so let me just change my equipment. Drop that in here, get the level 1 drill out. There we go, at least that we have. Now a quick topping off of our necessary stats here. And off we go. I would say we'll go to this fella over there. We haven't explored that one. Also, what I find what is very curious, we have a lot of basically explored stuff like around here, but over here there's almost no asteroids that we have explored. I mean, there's this one over there that we... Actually, is that the one we're drifting towards? Sometimes it's really hard to tell in which direction you're drifting, isn't it? I'm pretty much sure that's the one we're going for. But yeah, there's one asteroid over there. Well, there's this one, of course. If we go to this one, there's a few more nearby. This one is probably in atmospheric range, but we might as well check it out. Did we check out this one over here? That is super close to the other ones, but it's not marked in any way. So maybe just check that one out and see if there's anything worthwhile on it. Maybe I've just missed it. And then we go over to this one, and then we could either go to these 2, 3, and then back. Or, yeah, we'll just have to see however full our oxygen tank still is after this. And energy, of course, as well. There's also this one over here. That's definitely a safe option when it comes to planetary gravity influence. So we might as well just go over there and down here as well. Yeah, you know what? Let's check out this, then down here, and then over there. That's 4 asteroids, 4-ish asteroids, and hopefully at least one of them holds silver. Silver shouldn't be that rare, but we'll see. Okay, so far nothing has been detected. We go right in the middle of this. Nothing. I wonder if we just... Oh, no, there is something here. What is that? That is ice, okay. Ice. Nothing else? Doesn't look like much else on this one. Alright, we'll just mark it as ice. There it is. Okay, so this is new from current position. Space, ice. One more for the books. Which one was the next one? The one up there. Close. But we might have checked it out already, but you know, just in case. And then these 2. This one first and this one afterwards, I would say. I just need a little bit of silver. Just a tiny bit. Not even much, but just a bit. How far away is that one? Could make a little tour here of several of these big boys. Okay, there's something on the surface. That's iron, probably. Yeah, iron. What else do we have? If even something. There's more iron. That looks like iron and nothing else, unfortunately. Right. Let's see. That's FE. Okay. Next. It's really hard to orientate yourself in space, isn't it? Let's go to this one over here. There was a pirate station again. That just flared up on the radar somewhere in this direction, I believe. One day we'll find it. One day. But yeah. Let's just continue our exploration here. I really hope we'll find this freaking silver. Otherwise it's gonna be annoying if we have to scan like 10, 20 more asteroids to even get there. And then it's gonna be one of the far away asteroids which takes ages to get to. Well. I think I spotted gold. Might be wrong. Gold or cobalt, probably. That could be cobalt. Oh no, it's nickel. Nickel has that color. Right. Nickel? What are you? Silicon. Ah, almost. Almost good. It was almost usable. I had my hopes up already. Shit. Well. Too bad. Nickel and silicon. Ow! Jesus Christ. Okay, one last one. This one over here. You know what? No, actually we're gonna quit it for today. That's where we're gonna head next time. We're just gonna start gently floating towards it, I think. But yeah, I mean, right now, how far are we away from our base? 20 kilometers already, so this will already take a while to get back. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and take care.